love that the new bottle is 25% more for the same price.
Anytime that I can get 25% more of a great product for the same price, it's fantastic.
It's nice to know that the company cares enough to give you more for the same price.
I feel like they really care about me personally.
NIVEA body lotion makes my skin feel very nourished.
It hydrates better.
It feels like it's quenching my skin. It's just bringing it almost back to life.
Soft and smooth and just alive.
It definitely gives, a little bit of a boost walking out the door.
I feel like I'm good to go when I get my NIVEA on.
The shape itself, I feel that it's easier to hold.
I like the smooth, soft lines too.
It's nice to see the variety of products available.
Different needs for different times of the year and for the different clothes that I wear. So, I've got a range of products that kind of fits with each of those.
We want to reflect on the outside what we feel on the inside.
It's like an aha moment. It's very smooth. If you're a person that has dry skin, then you would understand what it feels like to be well moisturized.
It just helps my appearance overall, and I just walk out feeling like I'm confident and that I'm ready to start the day.